blur the ink. Saw my old shoes by the doorway and I left before I could think. Every random thing I kept had a pulse I couldn't name. Now the dust's on all